Hi there, welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today we'll talk about how you can choose which teammates can manage a specific site. So let's get started. On your workspace, go to Teams on the left, then click on Invite Teammates. Input the email address of the person you want to invite here. On this field, click on Manage Access and select the website you'd like to give them access to, and then click on Save Access. Now it's time to select the role you'd like to assign to them. You can choose from preset ones over here or create a custom role if needed. Once you're done, click on Send Invite. They should receive an email informing them they've been invited. Otherwise, the invite will expire and you'll have to invite them again. That's it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.